keyo. Seneta Gloria Orwoba omi kum mabiro tame yuoro twak magod buch senet kuom thuolo mandalo 79. Orwoba bende ok bibedo kayudo omenda mabalang' ma jood bura yudo ga sasa magimo le twak magod bura. Jatelo no ok ne nyal tony ne kum makamano kaluwore ni tarik 15 dwe mar achiel higani doho nong'ado ni Orwoba norem chopi aput marango tim makare e od bura mar senet. Jatelo no midwaro ni oler matut weche moko mano tudogo senators moitene dwe mar 9 higa mokalo.
Orwoba shall now forthwith commence a suspension following the restoration of the Senate of 20th September 2023 to hand off the report of the Committee of Powers and Privileges on our conduct. The 79 calendar days that were to be appointed in the year 2023 will therefore run from today, Wednesday, 12th February 2025 to Thursday, 1st May 2025.
As I proceed for my suspension, I do hope that those I have offended will find it in their hearts to forgive me, and that it was not my intention to put out and maybe put out the Senate to seem that I'm trying to ridicule this upper house. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. As you have written yourself, for sure, it's like you are maturing. So thank you, all the best.